Hi friends, welcome back to Ethan channel. Today we will introduce the quality and the function of hydraulic glass hinge. You can see the surface is grading treatment and not easier to rust. With beautiful shape and adjustable function. Solid material does not break. Has been passed 1,100 times testing. You also with two-way soft close function, the closing speed can be adjusted. You can see it's slowly coming back now. Now let's see how does it work in the scenes. Its opening is the same as regular glass hinge. When the glass is not vertical and has a gap, adjust the glass door angle through the adjustment hole. When angle more than 90 degrees, it will hover. When angle less than 85 degrees, it will close. That's all today. Thank you for watching. See you soon.